Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make Discord guild badge. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. So first up, go ahead and open up your Discord app. Now go ahead over to your server. All right. Make sure that the server is guild enabled. All right. If you don't have a guild, or if your server is not guild enabled, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to follow the steps. All right. So first up, go ahead and right click on the server itself or click on the drop down right here at the top left. Then go ahead and click on server settings. Okay. Now, once done, go ahead over to the left panel and click on guild settings. Now, after that, in the left panel as well, go ahead over to guild badge. Okay. Now in here, you can go ahead and select the badge and the badge color. All right. As you can see here, we have a ton of selections right here. And also you can go ahead and rename your guild tag from here. Okay. Once that's done, just go to the top right and click on save and exit. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.